Most people think moving to a new construction home is about square footage or granite counters or having something brand new, but that's not actually what this decision is about.
It's really about belonging, about choosing the environment that's going to shape the next chapter of your life.
And two of the fastest growing new construction areas right now are Woodstock and Huntley, and they may look similar on a map, but they feel completely different when you live there.
Behind every tour and every floor plan, there are 5 quiet questions most people never say out loud. Will I lose who I am?
Am I trading time for space?
Is this a real community or just houses?
What if I'm buying at the wrong time?
Will I regret living what's familiar?
If you felt any of those, you're not confused. You're just standing at the edge of a life transition.
Woodstock is a historic town built around a real downtown square. It feels artistic, imperfect, and deeply rooted. Slower pace, community gatherings, independent shops, neighborhood schools, longer commute, strong identity.
It feels like you're joining a story that already existed.
Huntley is master planned. It's efficient, organized, and built for families and convenience.
I-90 access,
New amenities,
campus-style schools,
HOA communities,
clubhouses.
newer infrastructure.
It feels like stepping into a well-designed system.
New construction is not maintenance-free. It's different maintenance, warranties, grading, settling, inspections.
And advertised prices never tell the whole story.
SSAs,
Property taxes,
HOA fees,
commuting costs.
2 homes that look $50,000 apart can cost the same monthly.
Woodstock fits you if you value character, you want slower weekends, you enjoy nature and community, you work remotely or locally.
Huntley fits you if you value convenience, you commute, you want amenities, you enjoy organized social life.
You're not choosing between good and bad. You're choosing between organic and efficient.
You're not buying a house. You're choosing the backdrop of your next decade.
If you're exploring new construction in Woodstock or Huntley, we'd love to be your buyer advocates.
Builders represent themselves. Our role is to protect your interests, your money, and your future.
We're here when you're ready.